Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, help me change the world one electric car at a time. And thank you to all of my subscribers and my Patreons. Thank you for your support. And also those who order their Teslas using my link. And speaking of using my Tesla link to buy your own Tesla, I just looked at the Tesla website. And if you look at the menu on the top right corner, there's a drop-down menu. It says existing inventory. So if you go to existing inventory, you can put your zip code or you can put whatever it is. And you look at Model S, X, and 3 available in your area. Interestingly enough, I noticed, because I'm that kind of a person, that the Tesla Model S and Tesla Model X of existing inventory meaning cars in the showrooms, cars we use for test drives, they are new, they are eligible for any discount, federal, local, whatever that is. They are new cars. But interestingly enough, they are eligible for life free supercharging. Free supercharging for life. I got it. Free supercharging for life. So, wait a minute, what's going on? Free supercharging for life is a freaking awesome thing. For those who travel a lot and use superchargers, like I do, you know, it's a great thing. It's like free, like you're going to the gas station, God forbid, and you don't drive an electric car, God forbid. But let's say you get free gas for the rest of your life. You get free electricity on long trip for the rest of your life. It used to be the original program of Tesla, and now Model 3s, Model X, and all of those, you know, you can get free miles for supercharging. But if you use a referral code for yourself and the person who has the code, like I do. So why is that? And for how long? Why exist in inventory? So I did some digging for you, because that's what I do. And I read on Inside Business blog that existing Model S and Model X, not Model 3, will get free supercharging until, for cars in stock, that is the existing inventory, until June 30th. And I said, why June 30th? Why is that? June 30th is the end of the of quarter 2 of 2019, and Tesla really is doing tremendous effort to sell as many Teslas as possible. Number 2, it's also the end of the second installment of the federal tax incentive, $3,750. Remember, they lost the full $7,500 at the end of quarter 4 of 2018. That's when they sold a zillion cars, especially Model 3s, like the one I am in right now. And so the end of quarter 2, where they really need to sell, effort to get rid of as many Teslas as possible, and also at the end of the second installment when it went to half, and then it's going to go half of that. So the $3,750 is going to go half of that until the end of 2019, and that's it. No, unless the law change, nothing. Tesla will lose the entire federal tax. Now, there are a lot of local state-by-state incentive, not all. In New Jersey, for example, you get no sales tax on electric cars, any electric cars and all that. And others, New York, California, other places have their own incentives. So, it does not apply. Free supercharging does not apply to Model 3s as of now. It can change tomorrow. Who knows with Elon Musk? So that's awesome. So if you are into buying a Tesla Model S and X, you can use my link, which will give me some free supercharging. But for you, you'll get supercharging for life. That is awesome. That's that, guys. Thank you. If I hear anything else, I'll of course let you know. And that's what you do to help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow.